Hey young ladies, first we will start with breaking your heart with some acapella rock and roll, taking control of your body and your soul. So don't you wanna go to the disco? Disco, disco, disco. Feet start tapping, fingers snapping, your hands start clapping while we're rapping.